Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today, I'm gonna go to Ala Moana Center in Oahu. There's a food court in level 1, street side, and there are many brands on level 2 and level 3. Now, let's check it out together. As you can see, there are so many brands like Cartier, Louis Vuitton, Prada, Gucci, Tiffany. So if you wanna shop all different brands at once, come here to Ala Moana Center. Among all these brands, don't forget to check Chanel and Hermes boutique. In Ala Moana Center, there are 2 Chanel boutiques. One is like a regular boutique, the other one is only shoe. I went to shoe store. Also, there is a Chanel in Waikiki, so we'll check it out in another video. I can see so many neutral color, like basic style. In LA, you see sometimes like crazy style and design and like pop color, but here, mostly it's like black, white, and neutral colors, like beige. I was expecting Hawaii might have more colorful design, but yeah, surprisingly, they have more basic style. So these are perfect for daily style. These thong sandals are so cute. These pumps are bling bling. This suede ankle boots is elegant. Basic style loafer. The new season color espadrille. Love it. Love the CC logo and diamond quilting. So many neutral color espadrille and flat shoes. Little bit feminine style daddy sandal. Love the silver one. This one was kind of popular. What do you think? Mule with camellia. There's a flat style version as well. There were many kinds of basic style short boots. Love this white lace up. There were lots of sneakers as well. I could see many neutral colors, white, black, gray. I think white color is the most classic one. Love this one. Black is also basic. I got something. So on the same floor, there's a Hermes store as well. It's next to Bloomingdale's side. The line was short, like 4 or 5 people ahead of me, and I didn't wait more than like 20 minutes. But the store was kind of small. I heard the Waikiki branch is bigger. The displayed bags are all you can get. Basically, there were not many options, but you can put on wish list. There were kind of unique like hairband or hat. And quite amount of wool sandals. You know, Hawaii is hotter than other area of USA, so I guess wool sandals are more available compared to other sandals. Like Chanel, Hermes had all the neutral color, like beige, white, black. LA would have more like pop colors, like lime color or red, orange, but I can see all this like calm down neutral color in Hawaii, so I was surprised again. Yeah, I was expecting something like Hawaii vibe, but I couldn't see any. There were many kinds of hat and belt. You can find all the basic style. Next to Hermes, there's a Dior, and also there's a Dior cafe. There's an acai bar and hot drink, ice drink, dessert. I never seen Dior cafe, so I decided to have some drinks. So I got iced latte. Love the cinnamon Dior logo. To be honest, the coffee tastes not the best, but you know, it's all about ambience. Maybe next time I'm gonna try with macaroons. Love the Dior bags as well. Someday I wanna try. Now, let's start Hawaii trip. I was traveling only Oahu Island. In Waikiki Beach, you can get surfing lesson. Olympic champion Duke Pawa. It's really hot during summertime, but there's a beach everywhere, so you can swim anytime, anywhere. When you're in Hawaii, you should try Hawaii menu in McDonald's. It's a breakfast menu. I got local deluxe platter. It's like just $6 and pretty good amount of meal. There's a rice, spam, sausage, and egg. Also near Waikiki, there's a Leonard's bakery. This is a really popular place. It's small family-owned bakery, but their original donut is so good. Also they have baseball cap, bags, and other goods as well. Let me try original donut. It's so good. Their original puff and chocolate puff, also good. How about Starbucks in Hawaii? There were so many kind of limited Starbucks Hawaiian edition. If you are a pineapple lover, don't forget to check Door Plantation. There's a garden, maze, and like food court, pineapple express train. So you can try so many things. They have so many planted fruit and vegetable like avocado, banana, pineapple, and coffee. You can get pineapple ice cream and a meal. There are so many kinds of things to eat. I got loco moco, white rice, hamburger, egg. You can get souvenir from the shop. So many cookie made of pineapple. Ooh, I never tried this spicy hot sauce with pineapple. After lunch, I tried garden. It's like maze. You can check each point and get stamp. It was a little bit hot outside. Near Door Plantation, there's a Laniakia beach. You can see the turtles. You can also swim, but there is some area. You need to have some distance from turtle, at least 10 feet away. So I could take picture or video of turtles. They are so cute. Now back to Waikiki. There's an international marketplace. It used to be very local style. Right now it's like really literally just new shopping mall. This aloha is perfect for picture. You can see so many art performance in the street. Many portrait artists. You can take picture with parrot. Oh, there's a Korean tofu soup place. There are so many shops and restaurants in this Royal Hawaiian Center. I had dinner in Wolfgang's Steakhouse in this building. It's pretty fancy. Steak menu starts from $100 per person. Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Right now, I'm in a hotel. I'm traveling in Hawaii. I'm gonna do quick unboxing what I got from Ala Moana Center. There are 2 Chanel branch and 2 Hermes branch in Oahu, and I visited Chanel boutique and also Hermes boutique, and I got something from one of boutique. I got something from Chanel. The shopping tip in Hawaii, if you want to go to Chanel or Hermes or other like boutique, any other brand, let's say you stay like more than a week, try to go like first or second day, let them know what you want and get their contact number, and then they will contact you if the item is available. That's what I heard. So better go early. They might contact you as soon as the item is available. Many people got lucky, so we'll see if I can get the item I asked. That's the tip, for the shopping. So this is a mule. I love this Chanel logo. Let me show you again. Chanel ivory color lambskin, so soft, and it's like very sturdy. Usually I wear like 38 size, but this one is 37 and half and made in Italy. A little bit chunky style, but it's really comfortable, so sturdy. I saw like black color a lot in Beverly Hills boutique where usually I go, but I haven't seen this color. I never had chance to get or see this one in LA, so I was so happy to get this. There was black one available as well. If you check shopping vlog, but this is so pretty. 22S. I'm still traveling Hawaii, so I can wear this when I walk around everywhere. So it's gonna be so much fun to wear. This part is so comfortable, and it's California. I want this kind of light color shoe than black color, so I got this. Price was $1,400. Tax was only 4.7%. Compared to 10% in LA, 4.7%. So tax was $65 out of $1,400. So it's a really good deal. So total including tax in Hawaii, it was $1,466. I'm gonna check another branch as well. What do you think? Would you prefer black or ivory? Hawaii vlog part 2 will be uploaded soon.